friends! Today we will learn about numbers from 1 to 10. Here are the numbers from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's look at the numbers one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Please press the red subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. Now let's look at the numbers one more time, but this time with examples. I have chosen modes of transport for my examples. 1, train. 2, 2 airplanes. 3, 2, 3 buses. 4, 2, 3, 4 trucks. 5, 2, 3, 4 5 helicopters. 6, 2, 3, 4 5 6 boats. 7, 2, 3, 4 5 6 7 cars. 8, 2, 3, 4 5 6 7 8 bicycles. 9, 2, 3, 4 5 6 7 8 9 scooters. 10, 2, 3, 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 skateboards. Now some questions for you to practice. Question A. Can you count these cars? Question B. Can you count these airplanes? Question C. Can you count these boats? Question D. Can you count these skateboards? Can you read these numbers? Question E. Question F. Question G. Question H. Question I. Question J. Let's revise numbers one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The higher the number is, the louder I get. Let's write numbers from 1 to 10 on a computer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let me tell you something interesting. The first word I said when I was 1 year old was 6. I had learned numbers from 1 to 10 by the age of 1.5. At that time, I could not say 3 and 7. I used to say 3 and 7. That is how I said 3 and 7. You went here. 3 and 7. Now let's write numbers from 1 to 10 on the whiteboard. This is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, this is 8, this is 9, this is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One, two, three, four, five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's read them one last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and share this video. Please subscribe to my channel Learning with Ameer. And follow me on Facebook and Instagram. See you next time. Bye.